Hi guys, Bouncing Fig here. We are in SS3 Petaling Jaya and we are going to check out Garden Grill, okay? And they have massive servings. I am starving. There's the calamari. Enormous! You've got to check out. Look at that. That's enough sauce for, 10 people. So, use my fingers here. Take that. Oh yeah. So Chef Tom marinates the calamari, so you have a nice flavor, so it's not just bland. Beautifully light, crisp, and that all Malaysian Western cocktail seafood sauce is just amazing. It's really delicious. So you've really got to tweak your taste buds when you come here and expect lovely Western Malaysian sauces. Oh my god, what am I gonna do with it? So, look at that. Really tasty. Crispy and very fresh. His fish is very fresh. There's no smelliness about it. The batter is really well done. The frying technique, the color is nice and golden. My god, look at that. Look at that on. Juicy, not rubbery at all. Lamb chops are a favorite of a lot of Malaysian Western side stalls. You've got to give it a try. Nothing fancy, but it's done really well. This is the signature garlic bread that he uses, fresh garlic. I'm gonna dip it in the beef jus.
For example, this one is medium well.
There's so much food on the table and we have got the ribeye and it is medium well, or I think it's medium. It is so beautifully done. Let's try it. Medium. Good. So just like I said, it is a Malaysian Western style steak. So the black pepper sauce has got deep flavors, but it's got that sweet hint